If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Nutralife. Hello friends, welcome to Nutralife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food and nutrition. On this occasion of Diwali, Nutralife brought to you healthy snacks and sweets recipes. Diwali is the festival of light. It is the largest festival in India. Celebrates the victory of good over bad and light over darkness. When we think of Diwali, the things coming to our mind are lights, rangoli, friends, family, and the most important and everyone's favorite is sweets, desserts and savory snacks. This Diwali festival is different than other Diwalis we have celebrated last few years. As we all know, we are suffering from this COVID-19 pandemic. While celebrating this Diwali festival, every one of us should be mindful because this is the time we have to maintain good health and immunity. All the Diwali food preparations like chuda, bhujia, shankarpari, karanji, laddu, all these foods are mostly deep fried and containing high amount of refined wheat flour, refined sugar, or as they all are deep fried containing very good amount of fat. And this is really not the correct time to eat such high fat, high sugar and high carbohydrate food because we all have to think about the health and immunity. This baked karanji is nutritious version of traditional karanji. It is made up of wheat flour in combination with jaggery and other ingredients. This is completely nutritious as deep frying is totally avoided. Baked karanji recipe is providing 12.4 gram of proteins, 41.2 grams of fat, 12.7 grams of dietary fibers, 87 gram of carbohydrate, 4.8 milligram of iron, 54.2 milligram of calcium, 0.38 milligram of vitamin B, 0.25 milligram of vitamin C, 124 milligram of magnesium, 2.6 microgram of zinc, 434 milligram of potassium and 257 milligram of phosphorus. This recipe provides total 776 kilocalorie of energy. Baked karanji is providing good amount of protein, dietary fibers and vital minerals like iron and zinc. One serving of karanji, including 2 pieces, gives around 3 gram of protein, 9 grams of fat and 1 milligram of iron, 12 milligram of calcium and 172 kilocalorie of energy. Ingredients required to prepare baked karanji are jaggery, wheat flour, ghee, semolina, wheat flour for stuffing, fresh coconut, cashew nuts, golden raisins, salt to taste. Heat a pan and add little amount of ghee. Add semolina in the pan and roast it in the ghee until the rawness of semolina goes. Once the fragrance started coming, take it out. Take ghee in pan and add wheat flour to the ghee and roast it until golden color and leave fragrance. Once it done, take it out. Add grated fresh coconut to the pan and roast it until golden brown and crispy. Also roast cashew nuts in little amount of ghee. Stuffing preparation. Take a mixing bowl and add roasted semolina, wheat flour, coconut, cashew nuts, raisins and jaggery to the bowl. Mix all ingredients with hands by crushing jaggery for 2 to 4 minutes and the stuffing is ready. Satha preparation. Take 2 teaspoons of corn flour and add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. Mix the corn flour and butter. Keep mixing until it becomes fluffy and light like cream. Now the satha is ready. Preparation of dough. Take a mixing bowl, add wheat flour, salt to taste and add hot ghee on the wheat flour. Mix well the mixture and knead soft dough by using water. Now the dough is ready. Cover the dough and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Take the dough and divide it into 6 equal portions. Take one portion and roll thin chapati. Finish rolling all 6 chapatis. Take one chapati on rolling board and apply satha over the chapati. Spread it equally all over the chapati with your fingers carefully. Then place another chapati over the first chapati and apply the satha or corn flour ghee mixture over it carefully. Repeat the procedure until last chapati. Apply the mixture over chapatis slowly. Chapati should not break. Start rolling all chapatis together tightly to make a roll. Cut the roll into 9 to 10 equal parts. Take one portion, roll it into small chapati called pari. Place the pari on karanji mold. Fill the stuffing mix in the pari. Apply little water with fingers on the edges of the pari. Close the karanji mold by pressing and open it and take out the karanji. Like this, make all the karanji. Nutritious low-fat sugar-free baked karanji is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave your comment and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates from Nutralife.